Good morning, respected teacher and my dear friends. I am Primanshu, going to present the topic social health. Before that, let us know what is health. Health is nothing but the state of being of a person physically, mentally, and socially healthy. But we know about only about the physical and the mental health. In this chapter, we will learn about the social health. Indeed, the name of the chapter is social health. In this chapter, we are going to represent the following points: factors affecting the social health, factors disturbing the social health, communication media and excessive use of modern technology, stress management, unified movement against tobacco, Salam Mumbai Foundation, government schemes. Introduction. Our lifestyle has been changed to some extent in this age of technology. Each person is busy with own daily routine work and favorite job only. Earlier, we have studied the importance of physical health, cleanliness, and staying healthy. However, the concept of health does not end with it only. So here comes Ayush for the factors affecting the social health.
Factors affecting the social. The factors affecting the social health are financial status, gardens, social and physical condition of the surroundings, social environment of the surrounding, residential area, water, toilets, political conditions, playgrounds, social treatment, social safety, transport facilities, education and job opportunities satisfying basic needs of persons, food, clothing, shelter, medicines, etc., education, etc.
Social health. Social health is the ability of a person to establish relationship with other persons. Ability to change one's own behavior according to the changing social conditions is an important characteristic of social health. Various factors like strong personality, having large number of friends and relatives, proper use of time during loneliness and with peer group, trust in others, respect and acceptance for others are important for good social health. Factors disturbing the social health. First, mental stress.
India is the second most populated country in the world. Competition in the field of education, employment, and business are increasing due to the increasing population. This competition is the cause of mental stress in people. In cities like Mumbai, children face the problem of loneliness and mental stress due to reasons like nuclear family and parents staying outdoors due to job. Many families believe that girls are required to do the household work, whereas boys are granted excessive freedom. This creates gender inequality, and this gender inequality is a major cause of mental stress in girls. Even adults face the problem of mental stress due to increasing crime, violence, and disorders. People adopt easy ways of making money like smuggling, theft, etc., and become part of illegal systems. This is the deadly effect of mental stress on the society.
Addiction.
Addiction. Peer group influence is stronger in case of adolescents. Adolescents always prefer the company of friends and follow their good or bad habits instead of following advice of parents and teachers. Children in their early age try upon tobacco, cigarette, gutka, alcoholic drinks, drugs, etc. due to either peer group pressure or symbol of high standard living or as an imitation of elders. However, if may lead to addiction, to such deadly substances, temporarily intoxicating drugs of plant origin, and some chemicals may permanently damage the human nervous system, muscle system, heart, etc. Earlier, we have studied the carcinogenic effect of the tobacco containing substances on mouth and lungs. Liquor. Liquor is produced from alcohol obtained through fermentation of substances. However, if this process is performed in a wrong way, poisonous liquor is produced and proves fatal for many at a time. Efficiency of nervous system, especially brain and liver, as well as lifespan of person decreases due to alcoholism. Brain development in adolescence is hindered due to alcoholism, and thereby ability of memorization and learning becomes slow. Addictive person cannot think rationally. Due to this, the person has to face the social, mental, and familial illness along with physical illness. Incurable disease. Factors like in inaugurance towards the people with incurable disease like AIDS, TB, leprosy, and mental disorders, as well as old persons, lead to increase in old age homes, and such factors also may cause harm to social health.
Communication media and excessive use of modern technology.
Communication media and excessive use of modern technology. Nowadays, excessive, unnecessary, and irrational use of modern technology and communication media is becoming a sensitive issue through the viewpoint of social health. Persons spending the time with cell phones for several hours are usually unaware of the surroundings. This is also a sort of addiction and leading to endangering of the social health. Various physical problems like tiredness, headache, insomnia, meaning sleeplessness, forgetfulness, joint pains, and problems in vision may arise due to radiation of cell phones. More serious fact in those radiation penetrate the bones of children more effectively than the bones of adults. Person continuously using the computers and internet become solitary. They cannot establish harmonious relation with relatives and other members of the society. Habitually, they become self-centered and thereby they may develop problems like autism and selfishness. They become less sensitive toward others. Chronic effect of such tendency is that they are not ready to help others in need and hence they also do not get it in need. Children who watch the cartoon films may imitate the character of those films. Tendency and behavior of the children who play the games like virtual war and car races, especially deliberately brought about virtual accident in games, gradually become negative. Some games available on cell phones and computers are extremely time consuming and also cause economic losses to lose concentration on some essential subjects and may also prove fatal. Along with some purpose, huge information available on internet is used for viewing some inappropriate videos too. However, there is a government regulation over such media. Website, movies, and cartoon films inappropriate from for children are banned by the government.
Selfish side. Person indulging in selfie is not aware about the world around and the risk. This is called as selfish side. For example, there is increase in news of death by drowning in ocean, falling in deep valleys, or under trains during catching the cell phone selfie. This is because of craze to upload such selfies on social media and getting appreciated by people. They are more concerned about their status and importance on social media. Stress management.
Stress management. The topic name itself tells us about the content inside. Stress. What is stress? How are we supposed to manage it? Being excessively pressurized because of something is nothing but the stress. All groups of people have stress. Mainly the teenagers and the young generations come under stress. We are quite aware of the suicides of young generations only due to the stress. Very, very harsh to listen, but it is very true. So it becomes necessary to manage the stress. And managing that stress, relieving it out, is not as difficult as we think. There are many ways for managing it. First comes laughter club. Have you seen the loudly laughing citizens in morning in public gardens? Without cracking any joke, how come these people laugh out loudly? Why they do such a thing? Answer is for relieving mental stress. Name of this newly popularized concept is laughter club. The another way is for managing our stress is building communications. Various ways of expression like establishing communication with friends, peers, cousins, teachers, and more importantly, parents, talking to our near and dear ones help us to relieve our stress. Not only this, but also noting down our feelings is an important part. The another beautiful way of relieving our stress is developing hobbies. Fostering the hobbies like material collection, photography, reading, cooking, sculpturing, drawing, rangoli making, dancing, etc. help us to properly utilize the free hours. Instead of sitting idle or playing on mobile phones in free times, we should go for such creative things. By diverting the energy and mind towards the positive thinking, negative thoughts are automatically neutralized. Another best hobby can be learning and listening to the music. It is often said that music is the best medicine which cures any kind of disease. Singing keeps us happy and drives away the stress. Music has the power of changing the mindset. Not only music, but but also sports are very useful. Importance of outdoor games is unparalleled. There are various benefits of sports like it causes physical exercise, improves discipline, interaction and tendency of unity. Loneliness is driven away and person becomes more social. So it is very important for every person to play outdoor games. Another way for relieving stress is regular exercising, massaging, visiting the spa to help to relieve the stress. Yoga is not limited for asanas and pranayam, but it includes discipline, balance, and good food, and meditation also. Deep breathing, yogic sleep, yogasanas, etc. are good for health. Meditation helps to improve the ability of concentration. It imparts positivity in our temperament. Meditation helps the students to improve concentration in the studies. Deliberate inculcation of characters like time management, planning of our own duties, and decision power is nothing but cultivating the socially strong and ideal personality. We have all the ways to manage our stress. However, if those are not successful due to certain reasons, it leads to some more serious problems like depression and frustration. Medical advice, counseling, and psychotherapy are available for such persons. Similarly, many NGOs also provide helping hand. Let us see the information about some of those by Primanshu.
Unified Movement Against Tobacco. This movement has been started by 45 different well-known organizations like WHO, Tata Trust, etc. This movement is active for controlling the tobacco consumption and providing guidance to activists against tobacco. Salam Mumbai Foundation. This organization runs programs in various schools in Mumbai to empower the children living in slum area in the field of health, education, sports, arts. This organization encourages the children to take education by helping them to improve their health and lifestyle. This trust has made some districts in Maharashtra completely tobacco free through hard work. Since the year 2002, this organization is working for with various schools in urban and rural areas for making the society tobacco free. This program is being implemented with the help of government in about 200 schools in Mumbai and 14,000 schools in the rest of Maharashtra. The oath of freedom from tobacco is taken in every school as per the government letter. Government schemes, phone number, helpline numbers are published in newspaper to help the children in distress or facing any type of problem. Children contact the helpline to narrate their problems. Proper help and guidelines are offered to children. Conclusion: we should have a good social health. Thank you. Hands of contribution: Ayush Subhash Bali, roll number 1. Adish Abhijit Jagti, roll number 9. Primanshu Prashant Kokati, roll number 10. Ashwat Ranchit, roll number 22. Kunal Vinayak Bhagwat, roll number 52. Kalyani Vinayak Bhagwat, roll number 53.